Hello, Aileen. I just wanted to give you some feedback, and I just wanted to let you know during week 3, you did great with your participation. You met the requirement. However, you did miss a couple points on your college communication worksheet, and I just wanted to go over that briefly. As I looked at your worksheet, you answered. You did a great job answering the questions. However, when you get to the second section, this part asks for you to also discuss resources on plagiarism that's available to the student. And you did not add any resources. If you look down at the bottom of your return assignment, you'll find a rubric. On this rubric, I've highlighted the areas that you missed in, and I also provided the points that you can get in each section. So you missed, points were deducted for that area, so you got 13.5 points out of 15 points. So I just wanted to give you that feedback so you'll understand why you received the grade that you did on your assignment. If you have any questions, please let me know.